Alright, hello everybody. You're gonna take the center tray out here, and down below you have this wire flat spade with the protector on it. You'll want to put those two together, turn your ignition forward, and your check engine light will flash a certain number of times. And let's go ahead and put these together. Alright, and now we're gonna turn the ignition. One, two. One, two. One, two. So basically, if you have like an issue that it's picked up, this will flash like once, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in sequence. If you had like an error 15 code, if you had an error 13 code, it'd be 1 flash and then 3 flashes. So if that makes sense. So we'll do the 1 flash, and then after we'll do the sequence. And that's how you check some basic, like if you have a bad ground wire on the engine, it will tell you, and so forth. So basically, these two wires right there in your center console. And then after that's done, just turn your key back. Remember to disconnect these, and obviously put your trays back. And you're good to go. Boom. Hope you liked the video. I'm no professional. I learn as I go. Have a good day.